This collection was supposed to come out last spring, and then I kind of abandoned it. For over a year, these pieces just sat on a shelf in my studio, collecting dust, and honestly, after a while, I stopped noticing them completely. But before all of that, I was actually really excited about this collection. This was supposed to be my very first original launch. I wanted it to feel playful and full of personality, so I started by sculpting all these different kinds of animals. And even though they were inspired by things I saw around me, this collection still felt like something of my own. And at the time, I was actually going through a huge art block, which I'm still trying to overcome. I spent so much time making pieces for other people that I forgot what it felt like to make something just because I wanted to. So this collection felt different. I remember going to the studio after being told something went wrong and seeing all these pieces I worked so hard on completely damaged. Some cracked while drying, but most of them cracked during glaze firing. And what broke my heart the most was the Sausage Dog Tumbler series. Almost all of them did not make it. Later I realized it was because the clay and the glaze did not work well together and the materials weren't properly tested. But at that moment, none of that really mattered. It wasn't dramatic, just quiet disappointment. So I left everything on that shelf and moved on. Until recently. Lately, I have been trying to reconnect with myself as an artist again, and one day I looked up at the same shelf and thought, maybe these pieces deserve a chance. So after more than a year, I brought them back down, cleaned the dust off, and started again. I honestly did not know how I was going to paint this until I actually picked up the brush. If this collection had worked out last spring, it would have looked completely different. Back then, I wanted to add more obvious details like cute little spring doodles, but this time, I wanted each piece to feel like a tiny world, something soft, a little dreamy, almost like you are looking into a scene. So instead of adding more, I focused on how everything feels at first glance. The colors, the backgrounds, the animals, the way everything blends together. And somehow it started to feel like spring than I originally imagined.
The sun is shining bright like a colorful aurora. It paints the world in hues of orange and white and more. I'm gonna start packing my bag. I'm leaving all worries behind. Let's go, I need to get my own summer style back. The breeze is playing soft through the palm trees loft. Seen it whisper secrets of each land. The sound of the waves lapping on the beach is like a pleasant melody. Soothe my heart's troubles. Windows down with the wind in my hair. I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer. My summer trip. Take me away, all worries to a place where my heart can play. Under the stars, by the ocean shore, by the vast grasslands. Oh, it's the smell of summer.
And now, I'm back here again. Honestly, I'm really scared. I have my own kiln now, better materials, more experience, but I still don't know if this will work out.
With the with the wind in my hair. I feel so free. Oh, it's the smell of summer.
And when I finally opened the kiln after glaze firing, I could not believe that they actually made it. I think there is something beautiful about returning to something you once gave up on, not because it suddenly became perfect, but because maybe you are different now. And maybe this collection isn't really about spring anymore. Maybe it's just about finding my way back to creating things that feel like mine again.